Hi everyone. In this video, I'll try to make chili flakes at home. I have never done this before, so let's see how it goes. So in front of me, I have a bunch of chilies. Uh, these are the ripe red ones, and these are green and yellow ones. All of these chilies were homegrown by me in pots and containers. And I had frozen the harvest in the refrigerator for some time, and now I have taken them out. I would want to make them into chili flakes so that I can use it in to make chili oil, or just chili flakes on pasta, on dumplings, whatever. So the red chilies here are a mix of different types of chilies. It's not one variety. As you can see, the long one is, if you can recognize, is a Thai chili. The longer ones are Thai chilies. The really small ones are a special breed called the basket of fire. So this is the basket of fire. Chili is the small ones, and then there are these short and stocky ones. These are a special strain called super chili. These are very spicy, and the plant produces a whole lot of chili. A small plant produced, I think, several hundred chilies over its lifetime. And coming here, this is a strain from northeast of India, super spicy 2014, I believe. It won the spiciest chili in terms of Scoville scale. On the Scoville scale, this was 2 million Scovilles. It is very, very spicy to touch, even to touch. I mean, have to be careful. Some of them ripened, but some of them did not ripen. I'm trying to see if I can make chili flakes from green chilies. I didn't find a lot of videos online about this, but let me see how. All right. So this is how we will go about this. So I'll pick the chilies, and I'll take the tops off, and then yeah, directly place them. For the smaller chilies, I don't have to cut them into halves. So here I have a baking tray with aluminum foil. Do not oil the base. You don't want to cook the chilies, you just want to dry them. So I'll do this for the smaller chilies. For the larger chilies, I will obviously take the tops out, and then cut them into halves so that it is easier to dry. So as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. Some of these chilies are super hot, millions of Scovilles. Even if you touch them, it can burn your skin. So please wear a gloves, at least on the hand which you use to touch the chilies. All right. Now that I have cut all the tops of these chilies off and split the larger ones into smaller ones, it's time to put them in the oven. So the temperature setting is 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 80 degrees Celsius. You don't want it to be too hot. You just want to dehydrate them, dry them, and not really cook them. So it goes into the oven and stays there for at least 3 hours, and then after that, every hour keep checking if they are dry enough. And I think the average time is about 6 hours, and then yeah, it should be dry enough. All right. The chilies have been in the oven for about close to 8 hours. I left them overnight. I was checking them every 1 hour after the first 3 hour mark, and now as you can see, they are quite brittle. I can crush them easily with my hand. So what I'll do is I have gloves on so that to prevent the spice to get onto my skin. I will just crush them with my hands, and then pour them, save them for storage. Here are the chilies, the crushed chilies stored in glass jars, airtight glass jars. The Bhut Jholokia here, and the blend of red chilies here.
They can be used on pasta, sprinkled on pasta, and this chili powder have to be slightly more careful. Can be used when you make chili or to spice up large volumes of food. This has the Bhut Jholokia has a really great flavor, and that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.